Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a peek at NUU Mobile's latest innovation. It's the B40 5G smartphone. This isn't just another budget-friendly phone. It's a device that is designed to bring premium features and real-world practicality to a price point that makes sense for everyone. Now, NUU Mobile's mission is to make premium feature-packed smartphones accessible to everyone without a high price tag. And the B40 is a perfect example of that. With an MSRP of just $299.99, this phone is packed with impressive specs, including a MediaTek Dimensity 7025 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of storage. It also runs Android 15 operating system. So, who is this phone for? The B40 5G is an excellent choice for anyone who values affordable luxury and wants a phone that is engineered for everyday versatility. It's crafted to enhance your experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or staying productive. With a responsive processor and ample RAM, it delivers smooth performance for lag-free gameplay and also a seamless multitasking experience. The massive 5,000 mAh battery with 33 watts of fast charging means that you can power through your day without constantly looking for an outlet. But the real game changer here is the all-new Duo display technology. NUU is introducing America's first Duo AMOLED screen interface. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a design element called the Vista display. That's all about making your life easier. You have a main 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen, and then on the secondary is a 1.8-inch AMOLED display on the back, next to the camera. So, what can you do with this cool new feature? It's designed to keep you connected with smart notification cues and real-time feedback at a glance. Instead of constantly picking up your phone, you can discreetly see if a message or a call needs your attention just by looking at the Vista display. You can swipe up on the display to show more notifications and alerts. The practicality doesn't stop there. You can swipe left or right on the Vista display and switch between applications like the camera, music, and compass. This is especially useful for one of the B40's best features, main camera selfies. With the Vista display, you can use the more powerful 64-megapixel camera to take selfies. The secondary screen acts like a viewfinder so you can level up your selfie game and get stunning shots with sharper detail, clearer focus, and smarter lighting every time. It's a simple yet brilliant solution that makes the phone's most powerful camera also the most accessible for selfies. And finally, NUU Mobile makes sure that you have everything you need right out of the box. The B40 5G package includes a USB-C cable, a charging adapter, and a protective phone case, along with a manual and some new stickers. So the NUU Mobile B40 5G is a compelling new contender in the budget smartphone space. It offers premium features at an accessible price. With innovative dual screen design that's both cool and genuinely practical, the Vista display is a standout feature that sets this phone apart. So if you want to pick up this for yourself, I'll leave a link down below in the video description. Also, please be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And until then, stay techy.